In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Artisan's Hand Deviant in Once Human. So basically, you have to get to this location over here, which is just below the Deadsville area, okay, in the city called Hearst Industries. Now, you want to get over here and you want to get into this building where I'm at right now, okay? So actually, this one I just marked right now, this one to the right in the middle. And it's this building called Area 01, okay? Now, there's a kind of a mini boss in there, but if you're big enough level, you can get them easily, okay? It's those mobs over here are very easy. You can pretty much one hit all of them if you have good enough weapons. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Yeah. So what I wanted to say is that this deviant is very, very rare, and if you want to get it, you will have to try and try again. Now we can already see that boss or elite enemy, the Scorcher in there, and yeah, as I said, you will have to try over and over again. Some people have reported needing to do it at least 20 plus times to get it, but all you have to do is actually kill that elite enemy in there, the Scorcher, and then loot him, and hopefully you will get Artisan's Hand. You may have to change worlds and come in different time periods, come over and over again to get it though. However, when you get it, it's very worth it because that Deviant does great things. Now, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to target this guy over here. There we go. Okay, so once you kill him, as you can see, it wasn't hard at all. You can loot him and hopefully you will get in his watch out for this, by the way, this explosion that spawns after he dies. Now once you loot this, you can get Artisan's Hand, okay? Now, as I said, it's a very, very rare spawn. However, it's possible to get it if you farm him over and over again. Just change worlds, come back again, and you'll be good, pretty much. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.